Welcome, students. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to find your assignments, how to hand them in, and how to keep track of your progress through all the assignments in this course. I'm going to be showing you using a platform I am currently a student in. This way, you will get the same experience on your end as you see in this video. To start off with, you can see the links at the top, and you will notice a link called Assignments. However, I don't want to start here. I want to start under the link Content. In Content, you will see a list of all the modules that you have to complete. You'll notice a check mark between the ones I have completed and numbers between parts I have not completed yet. To find an assignment within a module, so for example, I'm in 4.4, which you can see is down here, I can see it's divided up into sections. So at the top, I have a discussion topic I know how I have to write about. And then further down, I have an assignment. And you'll see this nice little icon that's basically telling me I have to hand something in. You can read the instructions here. Also, if you want to get less distracted by information at the top, you can click on Progress Update, for example, the name of the assignment, and it will take you here. Some assignments require you to download something, and you will see a link to any files you have to download. And if I click on it, you will notice that my download has started here, and I will be able to open it and complete it. As I scroll down, it will tell me whether I have completed an assignment, and I can drag and drop within this box. There's a couple different things I can do to hand in the assignment. I can upload a file from my computer. So if I click on upload, it will bring this open. Or if the assignment asks you to record your voice or a video, you can choose these two options here, and it'll take you to the little app that lets you do that. Or if you've already saved some work on the server within this course, you're able to choose existing. However, most times you'll probably be using the upload button or the record button. Please note there is a maximum of 1 gigabyte. Now, once I have submitted my work, I now can go to Assignments. And here, it's going to give me a nice list of all the assignments in this course. Once I have completed an assignment, it will tell me how many submissions I've done, because sometimes you might submit more than once in case you've done a revision, and how many files. So if you go scroll down here, you'll notice that I submitted twice, and each time I submitted 1 file. Then, if your teacher decides to score your assignment, you'll see your score here. If the teacher sends you back feedback, you can read it here. And if a teacher has done it, you'll see the due date for the assignment here. If you click on Read, you'll notice it also downloads a file, or it should show the file that I want to download to read to see how I did. If I go back, I will see which I have not submitted yet and that I need to work on. Clicking on View History will give me a brief history for each assignment and what I did. So remember on, I believe, course description, if I click on it and I press apply, it should tell me the 2 different times I submitted. And that is a great way to keep track of how you're doing. And that is how you keep track of all your assignments, how you submit them, and how you find them. I hope this was helpful. Of course, at any time, please feel free to chat or to send me an email. Have a great day.